Welcome to Rideability. For someone who's easily spooked, squeamish, or claustrophobic, knowing what to expect in a ride can be a game changer. My name is Jenny, and today we're taking a look at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Disney's Magic Kingdom. Opening on November 5th, 1980, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a playful Western-themed coaster known to many as the wildest ride in the wilderness. In my opinion, it's one of the milder coasters at Walt Disney World and definitely markets itself as family-friendly fun. So how scary is Thunder Mountain? Let's take a look at the stats. We're labeling this ride orange with a very hesitant red for just a few seconds of darkness. Also, we're labeling Big Thunder Mountain Railroad as one of our perfect picks, so be sure to give it a try if you're feeling up to it. If you want to learn more about how we rate these rides, be sure to check out our scoring breakdown video linked below. With a duration of only 3 minutes and 25 seconds, this ride has a top speed of only 35 miles per hour and has no loops or upside down portions at all. There is a height restriction of 40 inches, so the kids that didn't quite meet the 44-inch requirement at Space Mountain might want to give this one a try. If not, the switching off option is available to those who may need it. Like other coasters in the park, it's also a no-go for pregnant mothers or riders with back or neck problems. The ride vehicles consist of 5 cars, each seating 6 passengers. Riders are seated 2 to a seat, so if you're looking to sit next to someone in your party, this layout could be a good fit for you. Also, there is 1 simple lap bar per seat, so it feels secure but not too restricting. We give this attraction a 3 out of 5 orange label because, like most roller coasters, it does have its share of drops and turns. However, it does not go upside down at any point and only reaches a top speed of 35 miles per hour, so it's pretty tame by roller coaster standards. It receives a very, very mild 1 out of 5 red label because there is a few seconds of darkness at the beginning and at the end of the ride. This portion could be a bit scary to younger riders as the train finds itself in a darkened cave with some pretty noisy bats squeaking around it. But for the most part, the ride takes place outside and in broad daylight with no scary imagery whatsoever. We've also decided to make Big Thunder Mountain Railroad a perfect pick due to its incredible theming, tame thrills, and overall very fun experience. Even though it is a track ride, we still recommend that those with claustrophobic tendencies give this one a try because of its open-air queue, outdoor track, and short ride duration. If you are trying to work yourself up to other track rides, this would be a good one to start with. To get a better understanding of what we've told you, let's take a deeper look into the queue and the ride itself. The queue entrance is located outside in the Frontierland area and takes you through a wide, canyon-like path before winding its way toward a large, covered building. You'll ascend some stairs as the queue makes its way through the covered portion, so you'll get a nice break from the sun without being closed into a proper building with walls. You'll get a pretty good view of the actual coaster from the queue, so that may help influence your decision to ride or not. From there, you'll go down some stairs and make your way onto the loading station where you'll get ready to board the ride vehicles. As you can see, the queue itself is wide open and really perfect for those who might get claustrophobic in other lines. So give this one a try. Once you board the train, you'll go directly from the loading station into a cave and up its first lift. This is the dark portion of the ride we talked about earlier, and though it only lasts for 36 seconds, it does come with some pretty noisy bats and a small waterfall inside, so we wanted you to be prepared for it. The train makes its first drop and winds through the canyon with a few twists, turns, and dips. It goes quickly through some very short tunnels and into its second lift that takes place outside, so be sure to check out the theming, it's really cool. From there you'll go through some more turns and small drops similar to the first half of the ride, through a couple of short tunnels and into its third and final lift inside another cave that lasts for about 24 seconds. This is the second dark portion that we talked about, and it could be just a little bit frightening to some due to its darkness and loudness of the train going up the lift. From there you go through just a few more small drops and turns before finally pulling into the station. We should also note that there are a few animatronic animals that are part of the Western theming, but we didn't think they warranted an animatronic crossing since many riders may not even notice them. So as a recap, we're giving Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at Disney's Magic Kingdom an orange label for its mild drops and turns, a very mild red label for a few seconds of darkness at the beginning and the end of the ride, and we've made it a perfect pick due to its overall tame nature and undeniably fun experience. While we hope our video has been helpful, everyone's riding experience is a little bit different and only you can decide to ride or not to ride. So we just hope our videos can help you be prepared and enjoy your time in the park as much as possible. So thanks for coming along for the ride. We hope you found this helpful and would love to hear your thoughts or requests in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more rideability content, and we hope to see you in the next one. See you there!